Back to coding with Subrat. This video will be very short, so make sure to stay till the end. The code will look something like this. It's just 3 lines of code. If you don't use the variable, it will still work. So let's just put something to search. I'll put python.org and save it. org and run this. Now see what happens. As you can see, it opened Chrome for me and searched python.org. Now you can click on the link to open python.org. Let's just discuss how this is done. So if you want to know information about import, you can watch the video in the card. I've just put it in the I button. So first import py or kit. Let's make it short as kit. And now kit dot search. So kit dot search. Let's say youtube.com. Save this, and it will still open youtube.com even if I have not stored this in a variable. Let's see. And as you can see, youtube.com has been searched. Now next thing, how do you store this in a variable? It's the same thing. Just type in a variable python bot. I'm just naming a variable like that. Python bot equals kit.search youtube.com and print, or you can say run python bot dot run and wait. Python oh, it's python bot, and save this. It's a short video, not long. Let's just, and as you can see, it still opened youtube.com, and Python said that Python printed none because there was nothing in the variable to print. It was just a command for Python to do. If you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below whatever your feelings were about this video. And if we get till 50 subscribers in 3 months, I may face reveal. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.